Kam chibynta pynkhreh yak Meghalaya Games arhajar arpausan ka wadauman Jowai West Giant Hills. Ne kesengi Deputy Commissioner OBS Sokli ya dkhot penman yalang yak wami khmat na kichnat krek kam sarkar ki thau pure ki wami khmat chnong waki dkhot ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association kam juk ki wami khmat na kichnat sports ke sarkar jella wa kiwi. Haka yalang wada penman ha conference hall kachnat Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Jowai ukrobok pasa Assistant Director Sports and Youth Affairs Waman le District Sports Officer West Giant Hills dapen singaw ya kita wada jit ne benta penman ya ka Meghalaya Games haki jay yele ki waper. Hadin wada kut ke yalang ne liang udisi khanau walang ba ini Yachem lang da ya klam bani ki hajrong kamon penman ya ka Meghalaya Games ka wajom we ka walai bai lai ranti. We hejo ipor ongu we ini to yo penyu ya inam iburam yong ke imlang salang kam jule keriti dustur wagi thau unki suwari. Napo ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association the MO Working President Ujan F. Karshiying, Ujan Secretary UFL Perian, Naite Assistant Director Sports and Youth Affairs Upaya Biwar Nongbri wa Kiwi.
So we had this meeting today in preparation for the 6th Meghalaya Games 2025 that's going to be held here in Jowai next year. All of us from the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, working president, general secretary idea, from the state sports department, assistant directors here, we all discussed in depth with the line departments and representatives of the different localities and different stakeholders to ensure that the games are going to be held successfully and in a seamless and very showcasing every aspect of the cultural aspect, of the touristy aspect of the district as well.